This is the elevator 3, the only public working elevator at the UPMC Hamot M-1 garage, the public and lease garage in Erie, Pennsylvania. This is the ThyssenKrupp with van-resistant fixture from the 2000s. Van-resistant buttons that have the impulse contacts. Time's kind of quiet and sick. This door has a very long door time. It takes forever to close. I think the press door close a few times. I'll go a little faster, but it still takes forever here. It's a nice tri-power motor. This elevator is very busy, so if we stop going down, I'm probably going to just continue the video. Only one opens there, all the other floors open here. Doors very slow, doors are kind of worn out. Orders maintain it well. Right there's a horn for the helipad mounted by ThyssenKrupp with innovation. Then over there was an original horn, but sadly that one was sealed for having too many violations from the state about 101. Buttons are kind of hard to press. I got the doors closed a little quicker that time. And if phone, there's a key switch ring in there, and there's a wire that's weird. A power cable. It's a basic blue hospital size 2-speed door cable. The floor is very worn out. It's got plywood. It's very rusty bottom. This elevator is not the best maintained, unfortunately. This elevator was installed at the same time the M2 garage was built, which has a glass version of this, and it's not 2-speed or hospital size cab. It's only the one there. I got one. Yeah, probably that's going to be it.